G'day guys, Paul here from The Hook and the Cook. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm bringing you some great little recipes which I was lucky enough to go on Escape with ET and do some segments with the great Andrew Ettingshausen. Some of these recipes that we're doing are so simple you can easily do them at home. They're all on the barbecue, so you can just get out there in the backyard and give them a crack. So here you go.
Good fishing, good food, with the help of your local greengrocer, Creo Crush Seasonings, Sandhurst Fine Foods, Noosa Seafood Market, and the Barbecue and Fireplace Centre on the Sunshine Coast. Chef Paul Breheny and I are preparing to show you another great seafood dish.
Well, Paul, squid. I love to catch them because I'm always chasing mulloway and kingfish and snapper, and they're prime baits, and my family loves to eat them as well.
Yeah.
And how do you prep them for the barbecue?
Well, Andrew, it's very easy if you sort of know a few little tricks, so I'll just show you how to do it. First thing I've got to do, I've got to take these tentacles off. This is all edible. It's absolutely beautiful, the tentacles. I'm just going to chop that up because I'm going to use that in the dish today. So we could marinate these tentacles in some kiwi fruit. Just twist the squid and all the skin comes off in one go. We don't need all the squid because it is going to be a little entree that we're doing.
Well, Paul, you've scored the squid, but this year we've also got your local greengrocer on board, so we've got lots of fresh produce.
Yeah.
What have you done with it?
Basically, we've got some beautiful heirloom tomatoes, little baby heirloom tomatoes.
Okay.
Also some organic garlic and some beautiful long red chilies, and also some eschalots. We've got some beautiful Sandhurst product, Kalamata olives. They're really, really nice. Same with our capers, again from Sandhurst, and some sun-dried tomatoes. And we're going to toss that all together, and it'll make a self-saucing sauce. What we're going to do is marinate them now. We've got some garlic here, crushed garlic from Sandhurst, and what I always do with my garlic, I leave some olive oil in there.
So you actually got oil in your garlic?
Yeah, it stops it from drying out, so the garlic doesn't burn, but we still get that beautiful flavour in there. Also, I've got another beautiful ingredient, lime pepper. It is absolutely fantastic, great with any type of fish. It just gives the calamari a real zing. Got like lemon, some lime through there. That's ready for a really hot barbecue grill.
Yeah, and we're lucky this year. We've got the beef eater, and the guys at the Barbecue and Fireplace Centre up here on the Sunshine Coast are looking after us. You're going to use a combo, are you?
Yeah, basically we're going to do the squid on this side. We're going to make a nice sauce on this side, and then we're going to basically throw it all together.
Beautiful.
Yeah, we start off in a cold pan. Now, the reason why I'm starting off in the cold pan is all these ingredients will infuse into the oil, and it will taste absolutely superb. In with some garlic and our eschalots, some nicely finely chopped garlic and some chilli.
It's amazing you can smell that garlic oil you put in.
Next thing that we're going to put in here is our capers, just to give it a little bit of saltiness. And then in with our sun-dried tomatoes. So what I want them to do is basically start to open up in that oil. In with the tomatoes, this will just cool it down a little bit. Starting to see some really beautiful Mediterranean flavours in there.
Great colours as well.
So now we're going to keep that on a very low heat, and then we're going to cook the squid. The longer that we cook squid, the tougher it becomes. So it's only going to take a few minutes. Look at the colour that we're getting on that squid.
So really quick, isn't it?
Yeah,
Hot
yeah.
pan,
Very, very
30
quick.
seconds each
That's
side
it.
and you're done.
That's done. Okay, so we're going to take that off, pop that in here to stop it from overcooking, and then we're going to carry on with our sauce. And this is where we just get some beautiful fresh basil that we got from our local greengrocer, and we just pop that in. It is a rustic sort of a dish. Just going to turn that off now and just refresh the dish with some beautiful lemon juice.
It's pretty good.
And then we're ready to play.
Wow, that's good, mate. That looks great. All that fresh produce has all been turned into a masterpiece. And you can see the Creo Crush spices along here.
It goes really well with the squid. You don't have to overcomplicate things too much, and you end up with a really nice product.
Well done, mate.
No worries.
Awesome.
Cheers.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that little recipe. Now don't forget to get over to Escape with ET. He's got his YouTube channel over there, Andrew, and make sure you subscribe. Great channel with some fantastic fishing all the way from Brim right up to Marlin in this great country of ours. See you later guys, see you next week.